Hello, Nicholas. Nice of you to visit us. I'm looking forward to a nice little verse from the Dwarves. Then they'll get a little sack from me. I think they'll forgot the verse this year too. That's right, they've never been able to recite the verse in one go. They practice really well, but it still doesn't work. I know. Some people get scared and forgot the whole verse. They're not scared, but they just don't want to succeed, even though they're trying so hard. Oh, that's okay. They get the sack anyway. The main thing is that they wanted to make me happy. Oh, here, they come. Hello, Nicholas. We found lots of sacks and wanted to bring them to you. Oh, the bag was open. I lost them all. You did a good job. Thank you very much. Do you want to hear our verse? If you like, please do. Winter, orange, snow, night, gifts, Nicholas, nuts. Oh, we don't remember the verse. That was a great verse. You can keep the little bags. I have to go. Come on, donkey. Let's join the others in the village. Thanks, and see you next year.